Dear Commissioner, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, it's my real great pleasure to welcome you all today to this ERA conference. Unfortunately, you don't see Robert Jan Smith here right in the morning. I'm replacing him as the moderator of this opening session, but you will see Robert Jan then later on in the afternoon. I'm really happy to see so many of you here today in spite of the general strike here in Belgium, so thank you very much for making the effort. I think that I would like to take this as your commitment to achievement of ERA, since you came here in spite of all the difficulties. I think that this event is very important, and indeed I can tell you that ERA, the European Research Area, is at the moment at the heart of the European economic policy. And I think that this very fact that ERA is such an important part of the European policies today is reflected by the participation of two commissioners in this event. Namely, here in the opening session we have our Commissioner for Research, Innovation and Science, Mrs. Moira Kekan-Kin, and later today we will have a Commissioner for Economic and Financial Affairs, Mr. Olli Rehn, speaking to us. As you all know, this year the European Commission intends to make a proposal for an ERA framework, and we shall propose measures which should be taken to achieve ERA by 2014 and beyond. And in order to be able to prepare and prioritize our proposals, we launched a public consultation which ran until the end of November. And this event here is being organized because we want to discuss with all of you, our important stakeholders, the outcomes of this public consultation, and to identify and hopefully agree the most appropriate and best way forward to implement ERA. The Commission will assess all these measures very carefully, and we are going to propose measures which bring out improvements in the quality and impact of European research. I think that excellence and impact and efficiency are the key words here. Now I would like to give the floor to our Commissioner, Mrs. Moira Kekan-Kin, who you know is very deeply committed to completing ERA. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have the great pleasure to give the floor to Mrs. Moira Kekan-Kin. Please, the floor is yours.